In this class we will learn how to use the command chamfer, which allows the removal of living corners and is useful in finishing the models. Open the available file and let's get started. We activate the command chamfer, and in the property manager we have a box for selecting entities, which can be faces or edges. To create a vertex chamfer you need to click this option. With the option angle distance enabled, we select the face shown. We enter the value 2 mm, keep 45 degrees and have the preview displayed. We have confirmed the command and see that the chamfer has been applied along the entire selected face. We activate the command again and select the distance option. We select the edges shown and observe the preview displayed. If the preview is not displayed, check that the full preview option is active and finally proceed to change the values of distances and/or angles. Note that adjacent edges have been selected automatically, due to the tangent propagation option being active. With the symmetric option, we report a single distance to the bevel. We've confirmed the command and look at the chamfer applied to the edges. Now we will study the vertex option, for which we must select a vertex for applying the chamfer. We select the vertex shown and look at the preview. We can set values for the 3 edges that will be formed, or click equal distance and set the same value for the 3 edges. We confirm and we will still apply a chamfer to the edge shown. We set the distance to 30 mm and noticed in the preview that this chamfer intercepts other features. By default SolidWorks keeps the features intercepted by the chamfer, because in chamfer options the Keep Features option is active. We confirm the command and have the bevel created, keeping the other geometries of the part. We indicate to carry out the chamfers and other details always at the end of the modeling, and when possible, do directly on the sketches, which makes the model lighter. We finished this lesson, where we learned to remove living corners by applying chamfers, which is indispensable in the finishing of any model.